This is 247 Movers Packers London. We have done this job last minute, and this is being packed. All this job is done last minute 24/7. The guys are working hard, bringing all this stuff in this one. This all been dismantled, all the bed dismantled, and they are putting in the van. All this house is 7-bedroom house. Living room is clear now. Sofas are going. Everything has been packed, wrapped properly, professionally. All this clearing up. This is all gym been dismantled, bed been dismantled. Our guys are working hard. They are dismantling all the bed, and all this gym has been dismantled by 247 Movers Packers London. Working hard, highly professional with dismantling and reassembling. We're doing complete relocation service, and as you can see, all these rooms, everything has been cleared. This bed been dismantled. This was a bunk bed, and our specialist guys, this done. All this dismantling, they will rebuild it again. Highly professional service, 24/7 and very last minute. This one is also cleared. All these rooms are been packed up by 24/7 last minute Movers Packers London. Same as this one. All the bed was dismantled. This was study room and bedroom, and this bed been dismantled properly. Full dismantling service been provided by 24/7 Movers Packers London. As you can see, this bed has been dismantled. This was double bed with drawers. Nothing is too difficult for us.